Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mango languages for cultural context in language learning, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Mango languages website. Log into your account by entering your username and password. Once logged in, access the language learning dashboard. Choose the language you wish to learn from the list provided. After selecting your language, look for the Cultural Context section on the dashboard. Click on the Cultural Context tab to explore available resources. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the cultural content available in your chosen language. Review the introductory materials to understand the cultural significance of the language. Proceed to the lesson plan, which will guide you through specific cultural topics. Select a cultural lesson that piques your interest. Take note of the explanations provided about key phrases and cultural nuances. Listen to the audio recordings to hear the correct pronunciation and intonation. Engage with the interactive quizzes designed to reinforce cultural insights. Utilize supplementary resources linked within the cultural context section for deeper understanding. Complete the lesson and reflect on the cultural aspects learned. Return to the main dashboard to explore additional languages or topics. Regularly revisit the cultural context resources to enhance your language skills progressively. Incorporate what you learn about culture into your language practice sessions. Utilize community forums or language exchange partners to discuss cultural insights. Continuously immerse yourself in both the language and its cultural context for a comprehensive learning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.